In front of me, we have Ringke cases for the iPhone 13. We have the Fusion X, Fusion, Air S, and Onyx. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I box and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have Ringke cases for the iPhone 13. So without further ado, all the packaging is very similar. Nothing's gonna vary in packaging, so I'm gonna unbag one and then we're gonna go from there. You won't see another unboxing or unbagging of a case, but this is your typical packaging from Ringke. Very eco-friendly packaging. Live a better day by Ringke. So let's go ahead and unbag this one. This is the Onyx case here. Yes, it is. Now this one is available for $11.99. They do have other colors. This one is their navy color. Bam. You do get some 20% off coupons and warranty information inside the packaging. Let's go ahead and place this aside. But their Onyx is very soft TPU, premium feeling TPU. It's not a cheap kind of TPU. $11.99. They do have cases with design, so a silk print design on the back. Those are $1 more, so $12.99. Not a bad deal if you want to get a cool looking case design print on the back. They do have that available, so you do have options, and they do have different colors as well. Besides the graphic looking cases, they have a black, a dark gray, and a navy, which is here. And then you can go and look at the other design ones. They have this one, this X looking thing, and this scribble thing right here, all black with a white picture design. Let's go ahead and grab the iPhone. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that, look at that. Now, there we go. Very snug. I do have a tempered glass screen protector, and it does not interfere with the tempered glass screen protector, which is a bonus. You do have lip protection there all around the phone, and especially on the corners. It protrudes a little higher than usual, so it kind of protrudes high and then tapers down a little bit, and then it goes back high on each corner. So you are protected if you lay your phone on a flat surface face down. Your screen is not gonna get scratched. On the back, you do have the same lip protection here on the corner. Bam, look at that. You do have Ringke branding. I don't know if you can see it right there. Ringke branding, but you do have awesome lip protection around that camera lens, and I do have a tempered glass screen protector for that camera lens. This is Caseology branding. Ringke does have their own if you want to go ahead and pick theirs up. Caseology makes a good one, but even with a Caseology tempered glass screen protector, this works flawlessly, no issues there. And you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. Those camera lenses are not going to get scratched. And you do have these kind of like little feet on the edge of the case, so even if you're laying it down, you don't get that wobble wobble, shake it. So if you like to type on the table without picking up the phone, you're at work, whatever, and you're like this is the case for you, because it's not going to shake and wobble because of that camera lens. Look at that. I'm like 1,000 words per minute on the keyboard, so no issues with the shaky wobble situation there, because this little feet on each other side of the case keeps the case well balanced, so you don't get that shake. Your cutouts are nice and precise, no issues there. Looks like you got plenty of room around that charging port there if you want to use a third-party lightning charging cable that's a little thicker than normal. The case will not interfere with you plugging in, and the buttons are 100% covered and nice and tactile, very responsive. You can actually feel and hear the click. It feels amazing. The mute slider also nice and accessible, no issues with that. You do have this textured side here on both sides for added grip, and you do have branding there, Ringke, I don't know if we can, Ringke Onyx, and you do have it cut out for a lanyard if you want to go ahead and use a wrist lanyard, no problem there. But these buttons are almost like a two-piece button, because this is like nice and chrome, so it's not part of the case. It's like a nice plastic button, so that is a good deal with this. So $11.99, available in different colors. All the links to these cases will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick them up. But before we do that and move on to the next case, does this wirelessly charge through the case? And voila, no issues with wireless charging and this Onyx case. So with that said, let's move on to the next one. Now this Air S silicone type shockproof flexible matted TPU case is available for $11.99. It's available in 3 different colors: black, which is here in front of me, lavender gray, and pink sand. Now this is a very soft style TPU, adds absolutely almost no bulk to your phone, very slick and nice and matted. You do have Ringke branding there by that lanyard spot, and 100% covered buttons, which are nice and tactile, very responsive, as well as the volume up and down, and the mute slider is easily accessible with no issues. The cutouts at the bottom, nice and precise, plenty of room around the charging port for a third-party charging cable that's thicker than usual. This one does offer the exact same amount of lip protection here on the corners, as you can see how it kind of tapers up as well on this corner and the top corners as well. And you do have very minimal protection here in between, but the corners here on each 4 corners being tapered up higher than usual allows you to lay your phone flat down on a flat surface with no issues there. Your screen will not be scratched or damaged. Looking at the back at that camera module, you have that little bit of lip protection there. This is an extremely thin case, not too thin like those peel cases, but it is thinner than usual, so you do have very minimal lip protection there. And that's only because I have a tempered glass screen protector for the camera lens there, and it absolutely works. I also have a tempered glass screen protector here at front, but you are protected if you lay your phone on its back on a flat surface. The lip around that will protect it from getting scratched and damage, but I still have that tempered glass, so no issues there. Does it wirelessly charge? Of course it does, because this is the Air S case and it's thinner than the one before, so it's absolutely gonna charge without any issues. Bam, look at this, $11.99 with Prime shipping. Make sure you hit this up if you want to go ahead and pick this up. But let me remove this and show you how flexible and thin this case is. So very flexible and thin. So with that being said, let's go ahead and move on to our next case. And up next we have the Fusion X case, compatible with the iPhone 13. This is a camouflage design, hard back, heavy duty, shockproof, advanced protection TPU bumper case cover. So it looks absolutely amazing with the pink iPhone there. Bam, look at that, looks and feels amazing. It is going to add some bulk to your case, but it does have that protection. It looks very rugged, looks very active, I guess want to say, like a very extreme style type of case. You do have lip protection all around the screen there, so no issues with laying your phone on its front on a flat surface. And you do have lip protection there as well on that camera lens. No issues when laying it on its back on a flat surface. It's not going to scratch up that camera lens. You do have textured all around the phone, so it's very grippy. It's not going to go flying out of your hand whatsoever. Even the back is textured, even if it's plastic hard shell there. The cutouts nice and precise. The buttons 100% covered, and the power button is rigid and it's nice and tactile, very responsive. Fusion X branding right there. On the other side, volume rocker, also nice and tactile, very responsive. Mute slider easily accessible, no issues whatsoever. Let's go ahead and does it wirelessly charge? And it wirelessly charges with no issues. Now, does this case also eliminates the wobble shaky because it does have little feet here on each corner, so it kind of aligns and levels out the case, so when it's on its back on a flat surface, you don't have that rocking iPhone when texting because of the extra added grip and feet here on each corner. This is available in different colors. It's available in black, where the back is just plain and clear, this camel one, and a ticket band. It has a design of like a 70s style tape or whatever on the back. So if you like that, go ahead and pick it up. But they're all $13.99. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick this up. Now let's move on to the next Fusion case. So this is the Fusion, the OG, the Ringke Fusion case. This is $11.99. It is also a hard plastic shell with soft TPU. It has minimal yellow clear, so it's not going to turn yellow right away. It's going to take some time for it to turn yellow, but you won't even notice with this because this one has the smoke edges around the frame, and it absolutely looks and feels amazing. Look at that, bam. You do have lip protection there at the camera lens, very minimal, but I do have that tempered glass screen protector. That's why it looks very minimal. But if you didn't have one of these, it would be protruding a lot, and you are protected if you lay your phone on this flat, on his back, on this flat surface. And you do have that same protection on the corners there. You do have raised lip, so you are protected if you lay your phone on its face on a flat surface. The cutouts nice and precise. The buttons 100% covered, nice and tactile. Mute slider easily accessible, and the power button slash Siri button also nice and tactile. Very good looking case. Keeps a very thin profile, very pocketable, looks amazing. I actually like this one. It makes the pink iPhone look not so girly, and I would definitely rock this. Does it wirelessly charge? Bam, it wirelessly charges with no issues, and I absolutely love it. So there you have it, guys. That is your Ringke cases for the iPhone 13. They do have other styles and colors, but these are the ones I got. Big thanks to them for sending these out for review. Links will be in the description below if you absolutely want to go ahead and pick yourself up a case from Ringke. Make sure you hit up that link and pick it up. But they absolutely look and feel amazing. These two eliminate that table wobble, shaky. These two have it. If you have any questions regarding any of these cases, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.